across country. The North has a capital, has a hot and rainy season from April to September, and a cold dry season from October to March. October and November are the best months to visit Hanoi, because it has more comfortable temperature and humidity compared with other months. The center of Vietnam, Da Nang City, is close to the beach, and the climate is replaced by the ocean region. Because of the island area, central Vietnam is also most central in natural disasters, such as hurricane or flooding. The paradox is, it's also plentiful, beautiful beach life. The south of Ho Chi Minh City is typically hot or humid with twin seasons, rainy and dry. It is also the most predictable region in terms of weather. Summer months from May to August may not be the best time to hit the road.